Helo, enw fi di Celyn. Dwi yn flwyddyn 13 yma yn Ysgol y Creuddyn a dwi'n astudio bioleg, cemeg, ffiseg, maths a bagloriaeth Cymraeg at lefel A.
Enw fi di Katie McCann, dwi hefyd yn blwyddyn 13 a dwi'n astudio seicoleg, addysg grefyddol, iechyd a gofal ag BAC.
Fi di Noah a dwi'n astudio addysg gorfforol, hanes a biol a bagloriaeth Gymraeg.
Enw fi di Ruben, dwi yn blwyddyn 12 a dwi'n astudio bioleg, cemeg, mathemateg, busnes a bagloriaeth Gymraeg.
Swn i ddeud bod y deimlad o deulu sydd yma yn Ysgol y Creuddyn yn gwneud yr ysgol yn un hapus iawn a cyfeillgar iawn. I would definitely say that Creuddyn is a friendly and happy school because of the feeling of family that we have here in the school.
Mae yna gymaint o weithgareddau gwahanol gael ei gynnig gan yr ysgol os maen nhw'n lawr yn yr adran addysg gorfforol neu fyny yn yr adran cerdd. Mae yna amrywiaeth o pêl-droed rygbi i canu, dawnsio, actio, wneud eisteddfodau neu cystadlaethau, chwaraeon lawr yn bob man ar draws Gogledd Cymru, really. There are many opportunities. We do plenty of sports down in the sports hall, football, rugby, cricket, and we do singing, acting and dancing up in the music department as well.
Rydw i'n llysgynedd ifanc chwaraeon i'r ysgol a dwi'n teimlo fatha bod gwneud gweithgareddau tu allan i'r ysgol ac hefo'r ysgol wedi rhoi profiad ychwanegol iddo fi oherwydd dwi wedi cael gwneud ffrindiau newydd yn yr ysgol, dwi wedi cael y profiad o dysgu plant bengach yn yr ysgol i wneud y gweithgareddau yma a wedyn hefyd wedi cael gweld nhw tyfu trwy'r ysgol a wedi cael gweld nhw yn mwynhau yr holl gweithgareddau sydd ar gael i nhw. As a sports ambassador for the school, I have seen that the extracurricular activities from the school has given so many people different opportunities, and I've seen the younger years of the school being able to make new friends from other years and also compete with these activities with different schools as well.
Mae yna ddigon o amrywiaeth o fwyd, be bynnag da chi'n licio, mae yna wbath yna i chi fita. Fel rhywun sydd ddim yn bita cig, mae yna o hyd wbath i fi ddewis yn y ffreutur. I'd say there's quite a large variety of food within the canteen. Whatever you like, there'll be something to cater for your needs. For an example, I'm a vegetarian, I don't eat meat, so there's always something for me to choose from in the canteen.
A hefyd oherwydd fod ni yn ysgol iach, mae pob dewis yn bwyd iach hefyd. And because we're a healthy school, every option that's in the canteen is always healthy.
Mae tîm bygeiriol ardderchog sydd o hyd yn barod i helpu ti a gwneud ti teimlo'n cyfforddus. Does dim beirniadaeth. There's an excellent pastoral team here, and they always want the best for you and to make you feel comfortable, and there's absolutely no judgment, no matter your problem.
Fedrwn ni droi at unrhyw aelod o staff Ysgol y Creuddyn. Mae pob un yna barod i rand yn ni. Diolch moch os mae problem bach neu problem fawr, bydd nhw yna i helpu a cefnogi ni. We can turn to any staff member of the Ysgol y Creuddyn team because they'll all be there to listen or to offer guidance or help us no matter how big or small the problem is.
Dwi hefyd yn teimlo achos y teimlad o teulu sydd yn yr ysgol, ti fedrwch chi troi at rhywun achos bod chi'n teimlo fatha bod nhw hefyd yn fatha ffrind i chdi hefyd. And because of the real sense of family that's in this school, it's so easy to turn to anyone because you always feel like there's someone there to help you.
Yn fy marn i, mae'r wersi yn hwyliog iawn. Fel rhywun sydd wedi ffynnu trwy y gwyddorau a trwy'r maths, dwi yn bendant di mwynhau pob wers dwi wedi gael yn yr ysgol. Ac oherwydd hynna, dwi wedi penderfynu mynd ymlaen i astudio meddygaeth blwyddyn nesaf yn y brifysgol. I would definitely say that the lessons here in Ysgol Creuddyn are fun, as someone who really enjoys the sciences and maths and has had the opportunity to flourish through those subjects. And because of the incredible science and maths teachers that we have here, I've chosen to go on to study medicine in university next year.
Dwi'n mwynhau'r agwedd ymarferol o'r gwersi, so os dyn ni lawr yn ei addysg gorfforol, y pêl-droed tu allan ar y cae, neu fyny wneud drama, yr actio ar y llwyfan, neu hyd yn oed canu yn yr adran gerdd, mae pob peth yn helpu ni fatha unigolion i wneud y gwersi'n yn lot fwy hwylus na just eistedd yn sgwennu trwy'r adeg. I really enjoy the practical side of the lessons, so the football on the field and the PE lessons, or the acting and the singing, the music and drama lessons. They all help us to enjoy the lessons more, and they're just much better than just writing all the time.
Wel, ond bod llawer o cefnogaeth yr holl amser o'r cychwyn yn trochi mewn i prif rif a hyn o'n drwy'n os mae rhywun eisiau fo. Os ydy'r cwestiwn Saesneg neu Cymraeg, does dim beirniadaeth neu dim byd, mae holl athrawon eisiau helpu ti a eisiau ti llwyddo. A maen nhw wedi helpu fi llwyddo. Nes i gael A-seren yn TGAU iaith cyntaf Cymraeg ac A-seren yn Cymraeg llenyddiaeth. There's lots of support that always has been from year 7 in Trochi when you move into mainstream, and even now if I needed it or anyone did. There's absolutely no judgment whether your questions in Welsh or English. The teachers just want you to strive, and they've really helped me because in my GCSEs I managed to get an A star in Welsh first language and an A star in Welsh literacy.
Bydd plentyn chi yn ddiogel yma yn Ysgol y Creuddyn. Your child will most definitely be safe here in Ysgol y Creuddyn. As everybody has said previously, and I want to reiterate, the feeling of family here in Creuddyn is like no other, and it will definitely help your child to settle in and to feel comfortable here in Ysgol y Creuddyn.
Yn yr holl amser dwi wedi bod yn Ysgol y Creuddyn, dwi wedi mwynhau pob un diwrnod a pob un flwyddyn. Dwi wedi bod yn edrych ymlaen bob tro i ddod i'r ysgol, a dwi'n rili mwynhau cael gweld pawb, ac hefyd fel nath ddeud yr Celyn, jyst y teimlad o teulu sydd yn llifo trwy'r ysgol. I've loved coming to Ysgol y Creuddyn. I've never had any doubts about ever moving school. Ysgol y Creuddyn has been the best school for me, and like Celyn said, just the feeling of the family that just runs through the school is one of a kind.
Cyn symud i Creuddyn, o'n i wedi clywed am y teulu'r Creuddyn yma, o'n i'n meddwl bod o'n wir, ond ers dod i Creuddyn, dwi yn teimlo fatha bod fi'n rhan o un teulu mawr, Ysgol y Creuddyn. So before joining Ysgol y Creuddyn, I had heard of the Creuddyn family, and I thought, oh no, it's not really a thing, but since joining, I really do feel part of the Ysgol y Creuddyn family, and I wouldn't change any of it.
Bys fi'n dweud un o'r pethau gorau i'r athrawon. Maen nhw jyst yn helpu chi gymaint, a maen nhw'n gwneud gyd o'r gwersi yn ddiddorol. I would say one of the best things about school is the teachers. They just really care about you, and you get enough individual care because it's the smaller classes, and they're always making all the subjects and classes really enjoyable.